Hi, we're Jay and Liz McClellan, and today we'll show you how we turn our inflatable kayak into a sailboat. The whole boat fits easily in a vehicle, so we can take it just about anywhere. Altogether it weighs about 100 pounds, but it stores in smaller parts that are easy to carry. First we inflate the kayak, same as if we're going paddling.
Nice little wind out there.
Yeah.
That should be fun.
Today the wind's blowing about 13 knots, gusting to 20, which should be enough for a fun ride. We have inflatable outriggers that are not strictly necessary, but they'll make the boat more stable at the cost of some drag and a little speed. We got the sail kit from sailboatstogo.com, and it just straps on without having to modify the kayak in any way. The mast just fits into a socket on the frame strapped onto the kayak, so it's simple to assemble. These lee boards on the sides act like a keel and allow the boat to sail upwind. And in place of a rudder, we have 2 steering oars in back. The sail is 49 square feet, and it's similar to the sail on a sunfish sailboat. It's a simple lateen rig with a spar at the front, suspended midway by the mast. And off we go after about 30 minutes of setup. The outriggers add a lot of stability to keep the boat from heeling too much, but with a stiff wind, we'll still dip the boom into the water occasionally. The boat has quite a bit of drag, but not much inertia, so we quickly lose speed when tacking through the wind. Fortunately, the steering oars make it easy to row the stern around through the tack, which is not very graceful, but it works well enough. Well, thanks for joining us for a little sail today, and we hope you enjoyed it.